Podcast Script Episode 6. Title: The Importance of Panel Advocates in Legal Dispute Resolution. Presented by podcaster Bharadwaj. Namaste, Namaskaram. Welcome to episode 6 of our podcast series, Legal Issues Resolution through Legal Services Authorities. I am Bharadwaj, your host. In today's episode, we will delve into a key component of India's legal aid system, panel advocates. These dedicated legal professionals play an essential role in ensuring that justice is not just for the privileged but also accessible to the underprivileged. Let's take a closer look at how panel advocates contribute to resolving legal disputes and ensuring access to justice for all. Segment 1. Who are panel advocates? Panel advocates are lawyers who are empaneled by the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA, State Legal Services Authorities, SLSA, and District Legal Services Authorities, DLSA, to provide free legal aid services. These advocates are experienced professionals who are selected based on their expertise and commitment to providing legal assistance to those who cannot afford it. They play a vital role in helping marginalized communities navigate the legal system. Segment 2. The role of panel advocates in legal disputes. Panel advocates perform a variety of roles in the legal aid system. Number 1. Representation in court. They represent clients in civil, criminal, and family courts, ensuring that justice is served even when the individual cannot afford to pay for legal representation. Number 2. Advising clients. Panel advocates provide legal advice to those seeking guidance, helping them understand their legal rights and the best course of action. Number 3. Assisting in Lok Adalats. These advocates play a crucial role in the organization and the functioning of Lok Adalats, where they mediate between parties to resolve disputes amicably. Number 4. Handling specialized cases. Panel advocates take on cases in specialized areas including women's rights, child protection, land disputes, labor issues, and more. Segment 3. How panel advocates facilitate access to justice. Panel advocates ensure that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, has access to the legal system. Their work ensures fairness by providing legal representation. Panel advocates ensure that individuals facing legal challenges have a fair opportunity in court. Efficiency. They help streamline legal processes by representing clients effectively, reducing delays and backlogs in the judicial system. Empowerment. With the support of panel advocates, vulnerable groups such as women, children, and the economically disadvantaged are empowered to stand up for their rights. Segment 4. Real life impact of panel advocates. Here's an impactful story from a rural village. A woman from a remote area was being harassed by her husband but could not afford a lawyer to file a domestic violence case. A panel advocate was assigned to her, and with legal representation, the case was swiftly handled. The woman was granted protection and the abuser was held accountable. This case highlights how panel advocates not only provide legal aid but also protect the rights and dignity of those who otherwise might not have had a voice. Call to action. If you or anyone you know needs legal representation but cannot afford it, don't hesitate to reach out to the legal services authorities. They can connect you with a qualified panel advocate who will fight for your rights free of charge. Thank you for tuning in today's episode. In the next episode, we will explore the role of paralegal volunteers in assisting with legal aid services and bridging the gap between the community and the legal system. Until then, this is Bharadwaj reminding you that justice is not a privilege, it's a right. Stay informed, and never hesitate to seek help when needed. Namaste, Namaskaram.